Welcome to SabiMakeAm YouTube channel. My name Naima Bongesiet. I want to show now how to bake coconut cake. Coconut na vegetable where we dey like am well. We fit use and do anything. And this coconut na medicinal vegetable. If you use and treat so many diseases. The recipe wey I want use today, I go use this coconut. This one na grated coconut. The way I prepare this grated coconut be say I buy real coconut for market, grate am, dry am, add small salt. Another recipe na flour. I get sugar here where I go add. Then egg. This egg na source of protein. It go still add value to my coconut cake. This one na butter. Butter na good source of fat and oil. Milk, good source of protein. It go still add value to my cake. This one na baking powder. This baking powder na raising agent. We go add to that cake and it go help rise the cake. I've been telling you say I want use creaming method for this cake what I want to do. So I don't put my butter and sugar inside this bowl. I want cream am now. I want use electric mixer. As you want do the thing for home, if you don't get electric mixer, you fit use spatula. This one na garri turner. Carry and cream the butter and sugar. No tell me say you no get electric mixer. So as I don't put my sugar and my butter inside the bowl, I don't put my mixer. As I do am, you fit use spatula, garri turn am. The thing go turn am like this. I go cream am like this until the thing is soft. This one way there inside my bowl na egg, and the number of egg where I use for this cake na 6 egg for the 500 grams of butter. Now I want whisk my egg. I go whisk my egg until the egg foam before I carry and add with my butter. No forget say that I dey cream my butter, and since I dey use that electric mixer, I fit pluck am. This one na flour. I've been showing that before. I want to sieve my flour. I don't put my baking powder. But if not fail to subscribe at SabiMakeAm YouTube channel so that you go watch more videos. See my butter here, I don't finish creaming my butter. Now I go add my egg. Add my flour. Okay. This flour you won't add that. You know, go pour all the flour at the same time. You go pour them bit by bit. You raise them up like this, make it the enter. So now milk. Milk. I don't add my milk, so continue to cream her. This one is my vanilla essence. I'll put 3 cups. I don't finish my butter now. Now I won't add coconut to my butter. Springle. I'll carry buttercream, rub inside my pan. So that if I want to remove my cake, I go remove them with ease. Try subscribe to our YouTube channel. I get so many things to tell you about this coconut cake. Carry small flour. The heat and make the thing get flat. And you go bake am for 30 minutes.
Make una no forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel at SabiMakeAm, or follow us on our social media platform at SabiMakeAm, or you fit even call us for this number. Thank you.